What is up, guys? Welcome back to Texas Mega Bassin. Today me and Josh are going to be going out fishing this golf course that we know of. Pretty good golf course to fish at, if I had to say. Ultra clear water. Gonna be throwing a bunch of topwater today. See you at the pond. There's some deer. The other deer. Right there, they're running across the golf course we're fishing at. I just had to blow up. Oh! Holy crap! Holy crap! That's... Oh! Holy crap! What is that? Holy crap! Yeah! It's like 30 pounds, Josh. I'm not kidding. No! I'm not kidding. It's like 30 pounds. It's huge. Just have to pull it up. Holy cow. Holy cow. This is the second time we've caught another species other than a bass. Oh my god. Ah! There it goes. There we go. Holy cow, it's so clear. Go! 100 likes and we'll add it to the flower pot. Alright boys, first fish of the day for me, 1 pound bass. A little dark, you can tell they've been on the bottom recently. Look at what it did to my frog, just absolutely destroyed it. Yeah, mossed my frog, but there you go, it's worth it. Caught right there in the weeds, not even using braids, so that was kind of like a catch. Chucked it out there once, missed it. Chucked it back out there, reeled the same through the same place, and yeah. Second time's a charm, boys. There we go, first fish of the day, for me. She goes. Go. Welcome back, guys. Day 2 out here. Yesterday we were at a different golf course. Today we're at our home golf course right in our neighborhood, so we're gonna be going out, try and catch some more fish for you guys. Maybe not as big as the one yesterday, but we're gonna go out, try and slam. Jackson's throwing a buzzbait, I'm throwing a little lizard, so let's get it. Finally, boys, first fish of the day. No luck on that side, but first couple casts here, we already got one, boys. Good sign. Alright, here she is, first fish of the day. Caught her on this watermelon red Senko. I was just reeling it in. My main cast was over there, and then caught her on the reel, and honestly didn't even expect that one. Chased it all the way in, so there we go, first fish of the day. Really? Atta boy. Good job. It's a mondo, dude. For real. Yeah. Alright guys, first fish of the day for me. Caught him on the Booyah spinnerbait. I don't know why he ate it, because it can't even fit in his mouth for you to. This one actually been a real fish, so. Just a little guy, not even a 1 pounder, just like half pound, so give him a dandy release. Let's go, more fish to come. Let's go, second fish of the day. Same bait, Booyah spinnerbait. Let's go. Second fish of the day for me. Nice little bass, about the same size, maybe a little bigger. Let's give her a dandy release. Looks like she's already been caught before. So this fish, not the smartest fish in the world, but still take it. Let's go. Got him. Let's go. Another fish. He is ready to go. Third fish of the day for me. Let's give this guy a dandy release. See you, buddy.